How to add sticky add to cart on your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss step by step how to do so. And this is also going to be a free method, so we're not going to be paying anything for it. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, you will need to install a specific app that does this for you because Shopify doesn't have this option. So we simply just want to click on apps, all recommended apps, and then just Shopify App Store. From here, you simply just want to go to the search and type in Uplinkly. You should be able to see Uplinkly sticky cart right away. Click on it. And then from here, we simply just want to click on install. Confirm the installation by clicking on install again. Once it's done loading, you simply just pick the plan that you want to go for. We're just going to go for the basic plan and click on select plan. And now in this page, we get to customize the sticky cart as we like it to be. So we have display on all devices, display after, and animation. For example, we can make it flashy or a pulse animation or a bounce animation and so on. You can actually preview it on the right side as we edit things. And you also have more stuff like the location of the actual button. So whether it's going to be at the top or at the bottom. More options include display on all pages, the colors of the background, or even automatically pick colors and size, which is the default. And once you're happy with it, you can just click on Save Changes on the top right. Next up, you just want to click on Enable Sticky Carts, which is going to redirect you to your Shopify theme, where we enable the actual application. Just ensure that both are turned on, like so, and click on Save. And now we should be good to go. So if we just go to online store, preview it, we should be able to see that we have this add to cart button. If we just scroll down, it's going to actually appear here at the bottom. People can just click on it and it's going to add to the carts. It's very simple and straightforward. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.